Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about multiplying with two-digit numbers. And so when I multiply, I like to think of it like a game of tag. So you'll need two different colored markers. So if you want to go ahead and grab those now. Okay, we're ready to get started. So we're going to do 45 times 6 and just review a little bit about how to do one-digit multiplication. And so I think of the 45 as the team, and everybody on the team is going to tag the 6, the red 6. And so we always start with the one that's first in line, or the one that's closest to the one who's it. So 5 times 6 is 30. I'm going to put my 0 down and carry that 3. And 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Okay, now there's nowhere really to carry that to. If it helps you to go ahead and put it up there, and then no, you can just bring it down. So it's 270. And you can see that it turned everyone red who tagged the 6. Okay, so let's look at how that works with a two-digit number. We'll try 45 times 16. And so there's going to be two teams. There's going to be a red and there's going to be a green team. Okay, so the red is it first. Everyone in the team in the black is going to tag the 6. So we start 5 times 6 is 30. Carry our 3. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. Okay, everyone in the red has been tagged, so I'm going to just mark him out. And what we put down here when we come down to the second line is what's called the magic 0. This holds the place, and I like to put a little smiley face on him. So this is our magic 0. Always have to put him on this second line as we come down. And now we're ready to tag the green. So we're going to do 5 times 1 is 5, and 4 times 1 is 4. And you can remember that we start with the number that is first in line, which is the 5. Okay, so that's why we did 5 times 1 and then 4 times 1. The 5 was the first one in line, so he tagged first. Now that we've got all of our multiplication done, we're going to go ahead and add. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry our 1. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Okay, all there is to it. So these are the steps. First step, we played tag. Okay, we multiplied. We tagged both teams. Then we add. And don't forget the magic 0. Okay, so we'll come down to the bottom to the practice section and we'll try one more. So we've got 172 times 21. I'm going to make the 1 my red team and the 2 is going to be my green team. Okay, and you can use whatever colors you like. That 2 times 1 is 2. We're tagging the red. 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Now the 1, everyone is tagged, so he's out. I'm going to mark him out. And now we're ready to tag the green. Okay, so we start with that 2 again, because he's the first in line. And I nearly forgot, you can't forget to add your magic 0. Always, magic 0. And then it's time to tag. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 2 is 14. I'll carry my 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. And then we're ready to add. 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 3. Don't forget to put your comma in. Okay, why don't you go ahead and pause. And you try the next one, 522 times 53. So go ahead and pause now and you give it a try. And then once you have your answer, or if you get stuck, go ahead and unpause the recording and we'll continue. Okay, so 3 is going to be my red team. And the 5 is going to be my green team. So we're going to start here with the first one in line, the closest. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. You can either carry that one or just put it straight down because there's nowhere to carry it. We put our magic 0. And that 3 is out. Everybody has tagged. Now we're ready to do the green team. So we'll start again with that first one in line. The 2 is the first one in line. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Carry my 1. 5 times 5 is 26. 5 plus 1 is 26. And then our next step is to add. 6, 6, 6, 7, 2. Put our comma in. Okay, go ahead and try the next one. Pause the video now. When you're finished with it or you get stuck, go ahead and unpause and check your answer. Okay, so the 5 is going to be my red team, and the 6 is going to be my green team. And we're going to start with the red 5, and everyone's going to tag starting with the 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 0 times 5 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. And everyone's tagged to 5, so he's out. Don't forget that magic 0. And we're ready to tag the green, starting with the 1. He's the first in line. 1 times 6 is 6. 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. And now we can add. 5, 6, 5, 6. Put your comma. And that's all there is to it.